Hi, I'm Chanel, artist from the field team, and I'm here today to show you some products to make you glow. If you're looking for a subtle glow, use All Nighter Ultra Glow Face Primer. This clear, weightless primer is infused with hyaluronic acid and agave extract that feels amazing on your skin and will give you a dewy, glass-like finish. You can use this primer on its own, or what I like to do is mix it with my Stay Naked foundation to give me an easy, smooth application. Apply a pea-sized amount starting in the center of your face and blending it outward towards your neck area to give you an even and smooth application. To keep it glowing, I absolutely love our Stay Naked Face and Lip Tint, which is infused with fermented kombucha and marula oil, so this product glides onto the skin really smoothly. It's so nourishing, it's so lightweight, and it just gives you that nice glow from within. For that extra glow, our new All Nighter Ultra Glow Setting Spray is perfect. Spray in an X and T motion to completely set your face. You can use this throughout the day to give your skin an extra boost of hydration and glow. These products are so easy to use, but will give you a lot of glow. These are your go-to products.